you've been searching for a mini farm in the upstate of South Carolina with mountain views, this might be for you. 5-bed, 3.5 bath, 4.5 acres, and make sure you stay to the end of the video and check out what's underneath. Let's go. The mountain views as you come down the driveway of 495 Mount Lebanon Church Road set the tone for looking at this amazing home. Step into the foyer where the 2-story living room showcases a gas log fireplace and opens to the breakfast area overlooking the mountains and backyard. The chef's kitchen boasts granite counters, walk-in pantry, and warm chestnut cabinetry. Enjoy year-round comfort in the heated and cooled glassed-in porch, the perfect spot to relax or entertain. Upstairs, a loft area overlooks the living room and leads to 3 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bath. When you get finished checking out the inside of the house, make sure you check out the back. So this is one of my favorite spots. Let's go. Don't miss the walk-in storage area under the home. It's fully concreted and offers an incredible storage space, and any hobby that you have can be done here. As you leave, be sure to check out the view of the horse farm across Jordan Road should you choose to develop that area. If you're ready to make this home yours, make sure you call us at the Expert Real Estate Team, 864-895-9791.